Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add event to calendar on Tecno Pova Neo 2. Firstly, let's open up the calendar. Okay, got it. Now select a date that we would like to add an event to. Let's say not this view, but this. How do you month? Let's say. Okay, now tap on 24th of July. Let's say. Or just tap on this plus icon here, tap on event. Now you can select the title, where you would like to receive reminders, at what time zone, in what time zone. You can also add people, add video and stuff like that. Now tap on save, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.